So far, this drive has gone 47 yards, and they've all been runs. And here's another one. Priest Holmes, touchdown. What a run by Priest Holmes.
And he ran
33 yards out.
Pat, he ran through John Lynch.
Yes.
You know, there's going to be another thing for his dad to look at. He said he wanted to make spectacular plays in this football game because he knows the only way his father's going to be able to see him in Iraq is if he makes special plays and becomes highlights. Well, I'll tell you, this one here should be looked at over and over and over again. What great balance he keeps.
Did you see what he did with his right arm? He went back and retucked that ball.